welcome back to Mum Hack Monday. I have had a couple of weeks off over the Easter break. The kids tend to go back to school on a Tuesday, and I don't tend to do as much filming when they're around because they will just run riot. So I've had a couple of weeks off and now I'm back with another mum hack that I think you will find really, really useful, especially if you are expecting or just had a baby or you are looking for nursing tips. So today we are going to be looking at how to fit yourself for a bra. Now this is not exclusively for someone who is pregnant or for someone who is about to have baby or about to be nursing. Anyone can follow this pattern. All you need is a tape measure. Okay, so first thing that you need to do is you take the end of your tape measure, and usually I would recommend doing it without your top on but keep your bra on. I'm going to keep my top part of my dress on because it's YouTube and I just don't feel it's necessary. So what you do is you go around, pull it so it's comfortable tight but not too tight, and then you will look at the number, and from there, if it is an odd number, you will add 5. If it is an even number, you will add 4. Okay, so odd number, add 5, even number, add 4. That will give you the bandwidth. Okay, so I'll show you one more time. All the way around, underneath the bust line, pretty much where your bra would usually sit, all the way around, add 4. If it's an even number, add 5. If it's an odd number. Now that is the same for any type of bra, be it a nursing bra, maternity bra, everyday bra, t-shirt bra, non-wire bra, whatever. That's the same principle, okay? Step 2. Okay, so now you've got your bandwidth, which is the back size, which is your 38, 34, that kind of thing. You've measured around there, you've got your number for that. Whatever that bandwidth is, so once you've added your 5 or your 4, that's your bandwidth number. Once you've got that, you want to go across the nipple line. So you're going to go around your back, straight across the nipple line. Now what you are looking for here is the number difference between your bandwidth, which is that number after you've added your 4 and your 5, and the number that you get when you go around your nipple line. So I have a difference of 5, which makes me an E cup. Now, the differences are here with a bit of magic. Those are the numbers that you're looking for. So if you have a 0 difference, you are an AA. If you have 1, you are an A cup, 2, a B cup, 3, a C cup, 4, a D cup, 5, an E cup, and so on and so forth. Now that is the same principle for any kind of bra measurement. If you are measuring yourself for a nursing bra, then it is recommended that you go up 1 cup size, sometimes 2 cup sizes, depending on how snug your bra really is. So it's a little bit more trial and error. Usually recommend that you get fitted for a nursing bra around 2 weeks before you are due to give birth, or as close as you can possibly get, and then get yourself checked again after you've given birth, because your bandwidth can go down. And that's it. It's as simple as that. No more awkward changing rooms. If you're someone who finds it really, really difficult to put themselves out there and go and get their bra measured, then you can do it yourself at home super easily. I have a whole section on this in my new book. You knew that was coming because it's going to come at the end of every one of these videos. If you would like to pre-order it, it is available now to pre-order, and it will be out in 10 days time, which is insane. It's launched on the 29th of April, and there is a whole section in there with all the numbers and a full example of how to measure your own bras and what bras will be best for what occasion and what will suit for your bust size. See you soon.